What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be taking a look at another new CRKT knife. This is new for 2018 and it is called the Raikiri. Pretty crazy looking knife. A lot of lines and things in the handles. Pretty wicked Wharncliffe blade as well. Just a crazy. I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about it. I do like the blade a lot. The Wharncliffe blade's so utilitarian. You can use it for a lot of different jobs. Very easy to resharpen, and it's probably one of my favorite blade styles. You do have a, let's see where to start. This knife, actually, when I first saw it in the pictures and stuff like that, I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller knife. It's a large size knife. Has a closed length of just over 5 inches, so very, very large. I mean, it's not cold steel large, but it is a bigger knife. You do have a small lanyard, elongated lanyard opening there to attach any kind of jewelry if you'd like. It does offer the filled strip technology, which is a super easy way to disassemble your knife, get it cleaned up. The handle on this knife is aluminum, and you do have quite a bit of line work on that as well. Pocket clip, very deep carry pocket clip. It is not reversible, so it's tip up right hand carry only. And then you have a liner lock here. It's kind of nested into the handle. Other side though is solid aluminum. It is machined out to kind of help with the weight. Pretty lightweight knife though. Weighs just under 5 ounces. For as large as it is, it's pretty lightweight. It's got a flipper here that protrudes out past the handle. Super easy to get a hold of. The larger blade really swings out nicely. You have a finger chool here, I suppose, and some jimping here to really kind of choke up on the knife if you needed to. But blade steel is 4116 stainless. They've used that in a lot of the other field strip knives, the home front folders and such. This also a large opening there, but it's really more for looks than anything else. Opens with the flipper. It does have a 3 1/4 inch long blade. Overall length just under 9 inches, so pretty large size knife here. Pretty cool design from CRKT. It was designed by Dew Hara. He's actually in Japan, and this knife is produced in Taiwan, so cool design, and it is available. I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.